Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer from Metamask to Bybit in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts and best practices. First, you need to have a Metamask wallet and a Bybit account. If you don't have these, you will need to create them. Metamask is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, while Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to trade and manage your assets. To start the transfer process, open your Metamask wallet and click on the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, and enter the amount you want to send. Next, you will need to get the deposit address from your Bybit account. Log into your Bybit account, go to the Assets tab, and click on Deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and copy the deposit address. Go back to your Metamask wallet and paste the deposit address into the recipient address field. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Once you have entered the address, click on the Next button and review the transaction details. If everything is correct, click on the Confirm button to send the transaction. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain and may take a few minutes to complete. You can track the status of your transaction on the Blockchain Explorer or on your Bybit account. Once the transaction is confirmed, the funds will be available in your Bybit account and you can start trading or managing your assets. It is essential to note that you should only send cryptocurrencies to the correct deposit address to avoid losing your funds. Also, be aware of the network fees and the minimum deposit requirements for each cryptocurrency on Bybit. In conclusion, transferring from Metamask to Bybit is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can safely and securely transfer your assets from Metamask to Bybit and start managing your cryptocurrency portfolio.